Hey everyone, welcome back to my furniture slash everything hunt. I am actually at a place in San Miguel. It's called the La Bodega, which I think it means storage, but anyway, it's this is a consignment shop, and I'm not having a lot of luck trying to find a sofa or a sofa set. What I'm noticing here is a lot of things are really custom made or handmade, which is a good thing. This is it actually. It's really cute. They had some very nice things inside, but I was kind of hoping I could find a sofa, something just that appeals to me. Anyway, this is my second consignment shop that I went to. And once again, I look tired and scraggly as hell, but you guys just have to bear with me, okay? Because if I don't look good, the house is gonna look good, right? The house is gonna look good. So I'm gonna take a seat for a second and think about what I'm trying to share with you, because I completely forgot earlier to record my trip to Dolores Hidalgo. And that's a town that's less than an hour from here. And the good, cool thing about it is they have like these antique kind of places along the way. Again, not really my style, but I'm trying to incorporate some Mexican touches and maybe make it even kind of like an African touch or whatever. I gotta look a mess. What do I want to say? Anyway, okay, so let me give you my quick rundown of what happened today. So I went to Dolores Hidalgo. On the way, I was sharing some things with my husband because I actually went there yesterday, and I went alone yesterday, and I was just driving around. I made a couple stops. I found this artist, and I call him an artist. He had some really cool pieces where he incorporated wood and metal into his furniture designs, and that's kind of what caught my eye at the side of the, it was just a little place at the side of the road. So I went in, started talking to him. He had this like giant piece of wood. I don't even remember what kind of wood it was. It looks kind of like a mahogany, because when it's all finished out, he had a piece that was finished. When it's all finished out, it had kind of a mahogany look to the smaller piece that he was showing me. And he just has some really cool things that really and truly will end up being kind of a one of a kind. The way he incorporates it, and the metal at the base and then the wood on top. So that caught my eye, and he kind of asked me, what was my budget, because I'm looking for a really beautiful focal piece with a dining table and chairs, and I would like it to seat 8 to 10 people, because there's enough space for it, and just kind of hoping that we'll have these kind of gatherings there. That's my thing. So I went back today with Daryl, and he's gonna come to the house tomorrow and take a look and check everything out and see what can be done and just kind of get a feel for the space. I'm really excited about that. And he had this giant piece of wood that was like really big and long, but a little bit narrow, and I was kind of straying away from it because my eye could not take in exactly what would we do with this piece of wood, right? So he basically said a lot of things that were really cool. He can cut it, like in a cool way down the middle and expand it, because I told him it would be a bit narrow to put plates on one side and plates on the other side. It's definitely long enough, but it was not wide enough. So once he said that, I thought to myself, okay, you know what? I'm seeing your vision. I get it. I'm a little leery because I kind of like to see things before I buy something. So, but I'm gonna just rest in faith. Rest in faith that this will be fine, right? And I'm saying it because I saw his other pieces, and I thought to myself, he's not your normal carpinteria and wood maker along the side of the road, and he's not an antique. He's actually an artist, because all his pieces were very unique. and the fact that he asked me what my budget was, and I told him, and he said he would work within it. So I'm really excited. He's going to come tomorrow, which you'll see this after the fact anyway. And he's going to measure everything out and draw some sketches for me. But what he suggested was he could expand the table, and in the middle he could put metal or anything, marble, some other material. And this is what I love about Mexico, you know, like people are just so creative and they work with their hands. Okay, I'm just excited. Now, I have to say this about the bathroom, one of the bathrooms especially. It's a little dated, okay? It's a little dated. And I'm gonna probably do a whole different video about that, so I'm not droning on about it, but what I'm excited about is I went to Dolores to look at this table idea. I got mattresses today, so finally I'm like excited about that. Those are gonna be delivered tomorrow, so I'm starting to see this whole thing realized. But I also found some cool tiles, and we found someone through our friend Christina and Jim. Thank you so much, you guys. That's going to be able to help do some really affordable remodeling in the bathroom. So, because I was stumped. I was like, what do I do with these tiles? I had no idea what to do with them. So I'm excited, and our landlord agreed to also put some money towards it. So winning. Today is like winning Friday, you guys. Anyway, I'm gonna check out. What I wanted to really wrap up and say about this consignment shops in San Miguel is it's a little pricey, okay? They have amazing things, but they're still used, and even if you fix it up and dust it off, it's still used. So I can't quite get with the pricing here. That's why I'm taking these 1-hour rides out to other places. I'm actually gonna walk over to this other shop and let's see how it goes. But anyway, that's my update for right now. Let's see how I make out. And I promise you guys, I clean up well. Just looking real crazy because I'm super tired and I'm just trying to get a lot of stuff done. Oh, okay, here's another shop. Checking out. All right, I'll be back in a couple days. Ciao, ciao.